Good morning, students. Now in chapter 13, surface area and volume. Next exercise is exercise 13.4. In this exercise, we are going to learn about surface area of a sphere. So, a sphere is a three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional means solid figure, which is made up of all points in the space which lie at the constant distance called the radius from a fixed point called the center of the sphere. A sphere is like the surface of a ball. The word solid sphere is used for the solid whose surface is a sphere. Clear? So, sphere O is the center of a sphere, radius of a sphere, and sphere is a solid figure, means three-dimensional figure. Ball is the example of sphere. Clear? And D is equal to 2R. Clear? So total surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi R square. Total surface area or surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi R square, where R is the radius of the sphere. Now let us take a solid sphere and slice it exactly through the middle point, with a plane that passes through its center. It gets divided into two equal parts. It is called hemisphere, because hemi also means half. It means, see here, a sphere, if you cut it at the middle part by a plane, then you have two parts and each part is known as hemisphere. So shape of hemisphere is this one. Clear? Hemisphere. So hemisphere is the half of sphere. If you cut the sphere in two equal parts, then you have two hemispheres. So curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface of hemisphere is half of surface area of sphere, means half of 4 pi R square. It will be equal to 2 pi R square, because 2 2 are 4, cancel out, so 2 pi R square. So curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi R square. And total surface area of hemisphere will be, curved surface area of hemisphere means 2 pi R square plus area of the circle also, to pi R square. So total surface area of hemisphere will be equal to 3 pi R square, where R is the radius of the sphere, which the hemisphere is a part. Now taking two faces of a hemisphere, so surface area will be, total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi R square. Clear? Now see the example. So I repeat, surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. You have to learn these formulas. Surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Surface area of curved surface area. Curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. And total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Clear? Now see the questions related to these formulas. So example number 1. Find the surface area of the sphere of radius 7 centimeter. So radius of the sphere is given 7 centimeter. You have to find surface area. We know that surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So which will be equal to, put the value of 4, put the value of pi and r square. So pi is 22 by 7, r into r, solve, then this will be equal to 616 centimeter square is the answer. Now see the next example. Find first part curved surface area, second part total surface area of hemisphere of radius 21 centimeter. So r is equal to 21 centimeter given. We know that curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. So put the value of pi and r and solve. Then you have curved surface area of the hemisphere. Also we know that total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Now put the value of pi and r and solve. Then you have total surface area of hemisphere. Clear, students? Now see next example. The hollow sphere in which the circus motorcyclist performs his stunt has a diameter of 7 meter. Find the area available to the motorcyclist for riding. So you have to find the area available to the motorcyclist for riding. Clear? So hollow sphere, radius of diameter of hollow sphere is given 7 meter. So find its radius. Radius will be 7 by 2. So r will be equal to 7 by 2 will be equal to 3.5 meter. Now surface area of sphere will be 4 pi r square, as we know that. Now put the value of pi and r, 22 by 7 into, put the value of r also and calculate it. Then you have 154 meter square. So 154 meter square is the area available to the motorcyclist for riding. Clear? See the next example. Here find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154. So surface area of sphere is 154. It means 4 pi r square is equal to 154 given. You have to find radius. Put the value of pi, 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. Then r square will be equal to 154 into 7, 154 into 7 upon, see it again, surface area of sphere is given. So we know that surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, and already surface area is given 154. So 4 pi r square is equal to 154. Clear? Now put the value of pi, 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. Then r square will be equal to 154 into 7 upon 2, 4 into 22. Clear? Now 22 7 ja 154. तो r square is equal to 7 into 7 upon 4. तो r will be equal to root 7 into 7 upon 4. तो r will be equal to 7 by 2. It means 3.5 centimeter is the radius of the sphere. Clear, students? So now you have to solve the questions of exercise 13.4. Okay, students, thank you.